Thank you. Welcome, Bibip Zainab. Ang ganda ng kabayo. The Majestic Horse Fountain. Just what her well. Make love shout out. Naka 1 hour na ako. Sobrahan ko lang ng 5 minutes. Make love shout out sa 7 million. Charlene, pakisuklian mo si Bibip Zainab. Done na siya sa'yo. Shoutout muna tayo bago tayo mag-end. Mega love shoutout sa Team BP Pangat Channel. Sa ating team leader na si Sir Ricky, mega love shoutout. Kay Admin Jingsky, mega love shout out ang ating Ayuda Queen. At mega love shout out din sa ating mga bisita. At sa lahat ng members ng Team BP Paangat Channel, mega love shout out. Ma'am Violeta Bicoy, mega love shout out. Pipip Jenny Sabado, mega love shout out. Boss R, mega love shout out. Mac RTV, mega love shout out. Lone Cake, mega love shout out. Reyna Serrano, mega love shout out. Bibip Albertec, mega love shout out. Bolen, mega love shout out. Sir Joshua Terwell, mega love shout out. Pahara GA, mega love shout out. Doris D Mix Vlog, mega love shout out. KitKat Co, mega love shout out. Old Tour, mega love shout out. Shaina Jimenez, mega love shout out. It's and Y TV, mega love shout out. Passwordty TV, mega love shout out. Bibip MM Lu, mega love shout out. Sony's Kitchen, mega love shout out. Sir Alhaj, mega love shout out. Survivor 20, mega love shout out. Si Proud Bukidnon, mega love shout out. Bigyan kita ng jacket. Gudu, mega love shout out. Roderick Lopez, mega love shout out. Omar Ali, mega love shout out. Charlene Official, mega love shout out. Bipip Erlin, mega love shout out. Dan Vlog, mega love shout out. Bipip Yorilin Antonio, mega love shout out. Bipip Zainab, mega love shout out. Honey 129, mega love shout out. Sir Lazaro AC, mega love shout out. Sir Ricky B, mega love shout out. Cardo TV, mega love shout out. Mac Pogi, mega love shout out. Rose Ann Alcantara, mega love shout out. Alia Cabrera, mega love shout out. Queen Style, mega love shout out. Ang ating Ayuda Queen na si Bibip Jingsky, mega love shout out. Guys, punta na kayo doon kay Sir Dan kasi ay mag-LS siya, may pa-entry din siya. So magpa-entry na kayo doon at ako'y mag-out na. Maraming salamat sa inyong support, guys. And God bless you. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Shalom. At aning ko lang si Lola. So magpaalam na ako, guys. See you tomorrow kapag okay ang ko bukas ulit tayo magkita. God bless. Bye. Maraming salamat sa inyong support, guys. 10 million mega love shout out. Maraming salamat. Bibisitahin ko ang bahay nyo ngayon. Bye bye.